Everyone, so today we'll learn a topic on selections rule of HKL plane or HKL for allowed reflection in crystal system. So this topic is we can see the questions from this topic from CSR exam as well as in GATE exam, but this topic is also important for JAM perspective. So today we'll do the two questions from the previous year CSR question. So at the first we have to know the conditions or the selections rule, okay, for the lattice system. Okay, so we'll write lattice here, and the second is reflection allowed for. Reflection allowed for. Okay, so first lattice is primitive or simple cubic. So for this lattice there is no such condition or no such selection rule, means all HKL plane will observe, all HKL plane will show reflection. Okay, our second one is BCC. BCC means body centered cubic lattice. Okay, so for this H plus K plus L should be even, not odd. For means the sum should be even and that plane will show the reflection. Means for example 1 1 0, H plus K will be 2, that is even. So this plane will show our reflection. Or we can say 1 2 3, that is 1 plus 2 plus 3, that is 6, that is also even. So this all plane also show the reflection. But 1 1 1, that is 3, means H plus K plus L will be 3, that will not show the reflection. Okay, this is odd, so this plane will not show the reflection. So our third lattice is FCC, that is face centered cubic lattice. So for this lattice a selection rule is H K L all should be even or all should be odd. Means HKL plane, so in HKL plane, so H, K and L, if all are even and all are odd, then only that plane will show the reflection in FCC lattice. Okay, means for example 1 1 1, this plane all are odd, all odd, so this plane will show reflection. Or 2 3 4, sorry 2 3 2 0 4, this plane have all even because 0 is considered as even. Okay, so this plane also show the reflection. But 1 3 4 is not all odd or all even, because 1 3 are odd, 4 is even, so this plane will not show the reflection. Okay, these two plane will show reflection. So these are the conditions for primitive, PCC and FCC. Fourth one is base centered lattice. Base centered lattice. Okay, what the base centered lattice? That is, if this is a lattice, so this our primitive one. Okay, so one base or one surface, if I am choosing this surface, okay, this upper surface, so this here, okay, here is an atom, and this opposite surface here is an atom, means opposite to surface will have an atom in face, in the center of that face. Okay, so this is a base center lattice. Not other surface or other four surface will not have any atom. So these are base center lattice. So these are three types of A, B and C. So if okay, if this is our A and this is our B and this is our C, okay, if A means this surface, okay, this surface, if this surface and opposite to that surface have that atom, so this is called A. Okay, if this surface and this surface, and means the opposite of this line and opposite of this line, these two surface have the atom, that will be called B. And C means is a z direction. This is if it is x direction, if it is y direction. So x direction are face, if that had the atom, so it is called, that will call the A base, or that is B for B surface and C for z direction, that surface is along that means the surface along the z direction. Okay, that is will be C. So if A based, so if we can consider it as H, okay, means x direction, so it can be considered as H, because if the plane will intersect that x direction, and the reciprocal of that point will be H. Okay, considered as H. So K plus L should be even. For B, that is considered as K, if so H plus L should be even, and L, if it is considered as L, so H plus K should be even. So these are the conditions for base centered lattice. And our last and one is, that is diamond like structure. Diamond, in my first video I told that what is the structure of a diamond like structure, what is the structure of diamond lattice. Okay, so diamond lattice, a diamond like lattice have all the conditions for face centered lattice, means the condition will be H, K and L should all odd or all even. Another condition with this one, that is H plus K. This is condition number 1. Condition number 2 is H plus K plus L should be divisible by 4. If both these conditions is satisfied, then only in this type of lattice, diamond like lattice, that plane that is satisfied these two condition will show the reflection for diamond like lattice. Okay, so these are the 5 conditions we have. So we'll do the CSR questions in previous year. Okay, so what are the question? This question, the first question came in CSIR December 2018. And the question is, in a cubic crystal 111 and 222 plane will reflection are observed, okay, but not the 001. So what is the lattice one? Okay, so 111 plane and 222 plane observe the lattice. Means here we can say all are odd, all, and in this case all are even. Okay, and another is condition is 001 will not show reflection. Okay, these are two. Okay, so 001 means 0 plus 0 plus 1 is, means h plus k plus l is 1. So this is odd, so it also can be BCC, because h plus k plus l, if it is even then it is BCC. Here is odd, so this lattice can be BCC. But what are the planes that show the reflection? That is 111. 111 means 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is 3, that is odd also. 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is 3, that is odd. Okay, so but this plane will also show the reflection. So this lattice cannot be BCC, because it should be h plus k plus l should be the even, so BCC cannot be happen. But you can say the 2 plus 2 2 2 also show the, so this all are even, all are odd, so our correct option will be FCC. All the conditions are satisfied for the FCC, because all are odd, all are even, and this there is no all. This is 2, 0 0 is considered as the even, so these are even, and 1 is odd, so all student is not odd, all not are even, so FCC is the correct option. Okay, a second question that came in CSR 2000, sorry, this is not 22, this is 2020. Okay, iron belongs to BCC lattice. Okay, the Miller index for second allowed reflection of the powder diffraction. BCC means h plus k plus l is even. We will start from option A. Okay, this is not correct actually. Option A is 1 0 0, h plus k plus l, that is 1. So the BCC lattice is, it cannot be it doesn't satisfy the condition for BCC. So this is odd, so not the option. 1 1 1 1 1 1, this is also 3, odd, so this option will not be the correct one. C is 2 0 0, that is 4, that is 2, so this is even, so this may be the correct option. We can check the third one, fourth one, that is 2 1 0, that is 3, so it is odd, so this also not correct. Our correct option is 2 0 0. But another here, that the question asks for the second allowed reflection. If there is another one even, h plus k plus even plane, l is even, so it can be confusing for you. So our first allowed plane will be 1 1 0, that show the reflection for BCC. Second allowed is 2 0 0, because 1 1 1 plane cannot show the reflection for BCC. Third one is third one is not 2 1 0, that is 2 0. Third one is 2 1 1, that is third one. So this plane For the third allowed plane that can show the reflection, second allowed, not 210, because 210 is odd, h plus k plus l is odd, so this cannot be satisfied by a BCC lattice. So our option is, okay, this is not this, our correct option will be 200. Okay, so we did these two questions. I think this is enough for this for the concept for this topic. So I am ending this video here. So if you like the video, please subscribe the channel. I'll upload such type of video in future, so tap the bell icon so that you can easily get my new videos in future. So thank you, bye bye.